Okay, so again, I have here 5 square root of 2 plus 8 square root of 2 minus 6 square root of 2. Okay, so again, you just need to treat it like, this values for x. Okay? So in our algebraic expression, you can only combine like terms. So for this one, you can only combine same or similar radicals. So from here, you'll be just adding the coefficients of each radicals. Okay? So we have 5 plus 8, that is 13 minus 6, that is equal to 7. So our final answer will be 7 square root of 8. Another example. Okay, so I have here 9 cube root of 5 minus 10 cube root of 5 plus 2 cube root of 5. Okay, so from here, we'll have 9 minus 10 plus 2 cube root of 5. Okay, so we got 9 minus 10, that is negative 1. Negative 1 plus 2, that is equal to 1. But then again, we're not writing 1 as our coefficient. Okay, as you can remember with our algebra, so you will only have cube root of 5 again. Okay, so it is understood that you have 1 here when your answer is 1. Okay, hindi na po natin nilalagay yung 1. Okay, so now let's go with dissimilar radicals. Okay, so it means that the given will be not the same on our radicals. So what you need to do first is to change it into its simplest form. Okay, so you have to simplify first yung ating radicals po before you can proceed to addition or subtraction. Okay, so like I said last time, you have to review the square roots of each number because it's important in simplifying. Okay. So our square root of 32, that is also square root of 16 times 2. Our square root of 128, that is also 64 times 2. Our square root of 18, that is 9 times 2. And our square root of 50, that is square root of 25 times 2. Okay, all the first numbers that you have here are all perfect square. Okay, that's why, like I said, you have to check first if all the given that you have are already simplified. Okay? So, pwede pa po natin siyang i-reduce. So, from here, square root of 16 times 2, that is 4 square root of 2, plus square root of 64 is 8 square root of 2. Square root of 9 is 3. So, 3 square root of 2. Square root of 25 is 5. 5 square root of 2. Okay? So from here, as you can see, all of the radicals that we have now is square root of 2. So we can combine na po yung coefficient natin. We'll have 4 plus 8 minus 3 plus 5 square root of 2. Okay, so 4 plus 8, 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 plus 5 will be 14. So 14 square root of 2. Okay, so we'll be focusing muna sa square root. Kasi yung mga square root po natin, sila yung merong um, simplified form. Okay, commonly simplified form. Kasi pag mga cube root, medyo malaki na yung ating mga radical. Okay, another one. So let's have variable inside our radical. Okay, so I have here 3 square root of 4x minus 9 minus square root of 9x plus 5 square root of 27 minus square root of x. Okay, so square root of 4x, this will be square root of 4, that is equal to 2. So remember that you have to multiply po yung answer mo on your square root on the number on the outside. Ay, hindi po siya ipa-plus. We have to multiply. So we have here 3 times 2, that is 6 square root of x. Okay, next square root of 9, that is equal to 3. So we have minus 3 square root of x. Square root of 27, that is 9 times 3. Right? 9. Yeah. Square root of 9 times 3. So 3 square root of 3. Okay, again, this 3, you have to multiply it with this, with the coefficient. So 3 times 5, that is 15 square root of 3 minus square root of x. Okay? So we'll have here 6, 15, and negative 1. Okay? So, you know, 6, negative 3, and negative 6. Okay? So, we'll not be including this. You just need to copy this po kasi wala siyang common term. Okay, remember, you just need to copy. So, we got 6 minus 3, that is 3, minus 1, that is 2. So, 2 square root of x plus 15 square root of 3. Okay, huwag pong kakalimutan that you have 1 here. Okay, you have a value of 1 there. So, you have to subtract it from that back. Okay, and then this 15 square root of 3, you just need to copy it kasi wala po siyang similar radical. Okay? So, hindi po ibig sabihin na when we have the radicals, you will only have one answer. And pwede pa din po siyang may plus. Ay, magkakaroon siya ng plus if wala tayong similar radical. Okay, one more. Okay, so I have here negative 4 square root of a plus b plus 5 square root of 9 a plus b minus 6 square root of a minus b. Okay, so from the first and the last term, that is already simplified kasi wala naman po tayong square root of a minus b. So itong 9, we have a square root of it which is 3. Okay, so you have to multiply it with 5. So we get negative 4 square root of a plus b plus 15 square root of a plus b minus 6 square root of a minus b. Okay, so we can only combine the first two terms. Okay, kasi hindi natin pwedeng i-combine it with negative 6 kasi the radical that you have there is a minus b. So we'll have here negative 4 plus 15, that is 11, square root of a plus b, and then just copy negative 6 square root of a minus. Okay, nakaka-follow po. So just remember that kapag hindi pare-pareho yun nasa loob ng radical, commonly you have to simplify. Kailangan na siyang simplify because there are numbers that will be the same to it. Okay? Kasi hindi naman siguro magbibigay ng given that you cannot simplify it more. Okay? Kaya siya naging given because there are cases that you have to simplify. Okay, one more example. Okay, 5 square root of 9 minus 9 square root of 16. Okay, so pwedeng ganito din po siya. So square root of 9, we have here 3. Square root of 16 ay 4. Okay, so you have to multiply 5 and 3, that is 15. 9 times 4 is 36. So the equation will be 15 minus 36 lang po, which is equal to negative 21. Ayan. Pwede pong whole number din yung answer natin. Not all the time is magkakaroon ka pa din ng square root. Of course, if the number inside are perfect square, it means whole number yung magiging answer po. Okay? Another one. Okay, so square root of 2 plus square root of 32 minus square root of 128. So square root of 2 plus square root of 16 times 2 minus square root of 64 times 2. So we'll have square root of 2 plus square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 64 is 8. Okay, so all of the radicals that we have now is square root of 2, so we can combine them. We get here 1 plus 4 minus 8 square root of 2. So that is 5 minus 8. So that is negative 3 square root of